what I'm about to share with you now. And I want you to draw this as a flywheel. So you've got 3 points on the flywheel, 1, 2, 3. There's an arrow going to each bit. So it's something that's going round in a circle. Point number 1 is what I thought I wanted was to make money. So point number 1 on the flywheel was that what I thought I wanted was to make money. So the first point of the flywheel was what I thought I wanted was to make money. When I got into high ticket sales, what I thought I wanted was to make money. And you can put next to that in brackets, have, H-A-V-E. What I thought I wanted was to make money. Then I realized, point number 2 on the flywheel, that to get what I wanted, to make money, there's something that I must do, which is I must serve my prospects. And then finally, I had the experience, point number 3 on the flywheel, that to serve my prospects at the highest level, point number 3 on the flywheel, I must be God. Not literally, be of God, be coming from source. And so the final word there is be. So when I first got into high ticket sales, it was about having something, money, which was then about doing something, doing the things on a sales call to serve my prospects. And then I realized to do that, I must be in a certain state, which is this state of source. And when I started tapping into that again and again and again, using my pre-call checklist, what I then realized was that what I really yearned for was to tap into source, to reconnect with some divine, higher spiritual thing. And what ended up happening is that what I truly, deeply loved most about sales calls was getting into state because of what that really was. Yes, the money is great. Yes, serving prospects is great, but it pales in comparison to that true peacefulness feeling of getting into state and reconnecting with source. Kind of like, I think it was Zach said, it started to become this thing where it was just like, it felt like going home. Every time I got into state, it just felt like this is where I'm meant to be, in this state. You're all in this mastermind, yes, because you want to make money, but truly because you want to have something more deeper and spiritual. And in my opinion, and I have never gone this deep into it. And it just felt like it was the right thing to do, was to see how you all feel about this and how you all take it, because I don't think I've ever had the words to articulate it, because I've never sat down and thought through, why did I really love sales so much? Why did I find it so fucking easy? Why did I find it so fulfilling? Why did I make so much money? And it was because it was spiritual. Normal human beings living a normal matrix life are so disconnected from source that the moment you taste that nectar for the first time, it's like, whoa, what the fuck is this?
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.